T.S. Rao, Chairman of the Biotech Department of Government of India, Dr. Sharad and Dr. Prasad Reddy Garu, Professor Prasad Reddy Garu, and all of the deans and HODs, dear, please. Everything, I really thank them for their presence. My request for all the external members and also the HODs and other people also. Okay, I have gone through this agenda of Board of Management. Most of the things are for approval. For approval's sake, maybe experts must be there, but need not be that expertise. But for the development sake, there must be some expertise, experience, and yes. So what I request is, most of the items are for approval, that and all that. That won't serve the very purpose of this, presence of these experts. What I wanted is, so we are doing here and there like patchwork and tinkering work, this lab, that lab, or this course, that course, and all that. Fine. Many institutions are also doing that. But what I wanted specifically is, the experts, I request them to select 2 or 3 departments and focus on those departments about their development, for the development at the national order or beyond it. That is it. That is the real development of an institution. No institution can develop all the departments at a time, everything at a time. I know that. So select 2-3 departments and start, make it within 1.5 years, 2 years or 3 years maybe to the national level or beyond that also sometimes. It can't happen with some simple sessions also, deliberations also. It will happen in a very systematic way, right from the curriculum. So for example, here there are 2 experts from biotechnology, Professor Devraj and T.S. Rao. What are the additions to be made in the curriculum to make it better than the rest of the universities of the biotechnology? So here they need to suggest something for the department. What is how you are making yourself special from the other things? That is the first thing. And the second thing is, all these are the phases of development. Second thing is suggesting the faculty or technical people required to do that process. These people sitting here, sitting in this location may not have contacts with the rest of the world. So these are the experts. Yes, you can suggest the people where the resource is available, where the knowledge is available, and the special things are available. And see that you've been being elderly people, you have to create some contact and see that it will happen. That is the second part. And the third part is you have to suggest some equipment or other infrastructure facilities to carry that process. So suppose if we invite an expert, he will come. If there is no facility over here and no laboratory over here, nothing is here, he is helpless. So that kind of thing. And ultimately, sometimes you have to care. That's the reason I am asking the other people, Vice Chancellor also. When Chaudhary is delayed for 1 hour, why keep the Professor Devraj and other people to be vacant for this 1 hour? Why not you expose to the students? That is the transfer of knowledge. You could have done the job. So yes, we can't waste the time of an expert. Anyway. So when I come next time, I'll add the subject. So this is the third phase, and the fourth phase is ultimately a product or a process to be developed in the institution, which is appreciated by the rest of the world. So that kind of thing, I know that it won't happen suddenly. It will take 2-3 years of time. Our education process, placements, everything is very good. What is how we are going to make it happen? So this is it. Ultimately, Then after 1 or 2 years, when Professor Devaraj visits the biotechnology department, he should say that this biotechnology department is far better than some prestigious like IIT kind of thing, or something better. This is better than. This is the kind of comment they should make. And a product or some molecule, a new molecule should come out of the department. That is the real development. Simply approve all these things, okay. I know that you are going to do a lot of exercise. So, but that is it, what I wanted from the experts. Already Chaudhary Garu is putting lots of efforts to put our students into Singapore University. How are they doing? Good. So that is most important. How the students are doing there. So, okay. In the same way, after 2-3 visits, Professor Prasad Reddy should tell, so this computer science department is much better than the Andhra University department, which is 100-year old. Yes, that is the kind of vision or development we have to see. We can't attempt all the things at a time, everything at a time, but we have to choose 1 or 2 departments to make it happen, and we have to show it to the world. Then only there is a significance. So these, I request again and again the experts, put your intelligence and your expertise into the development of the...
Make us commit. Make us commit answer.
Yes. The development of the institution. So naturally, our people think the development of institution is the number of admissions, number of placements, this is it. So if it is considered, we are stopping at a certain phase, at an average level. We should think beyond that. Yes, our students should be at least 5-6% of the students should think of the research kind of thing, should think of the development of, suppose computer science is the development of some app. This kind of thing, faculty should be involved into this. This expertise should come into that. That is the way we should focus our institution. Okay, the things are always there. Think in that direction, I hope. And we don't have other constraints, the funding constraints, okay. If you get it from outside, fine. If you don't get it, somehow we put it from inside also. But only thing is people. It is not the infrastructure buildings, it is not the money, it is the people and their attitude matters. So that we have to say, we have to do something towards that direction. I hope it will be started this meeting. Continuously next time we have to ask the department what is the progress. What has happened. So if you, yes, not these things approval should be happen, but these are the real things that should happen for the institution. So already for the in the teaching, learning and evaluation process, we have started the next level. That is the changing of the papers and going to the totally 100% outcome based. All these things are happening. I don't know how much it will happen in the teaching learning, the methodology of teaching. So it will slowly happen. But the overall development should be there at least for 1 or 2 departments, if not all the departments. I always worry, there are 80 faculty members in the department, which is 4 times more than the Andhra University, or at least 3 times more than that. They have 30, I believe. 90. We have 80 people and 1,000 students in the computer science department. We are not able to develop any app for the special purpose. So yes, 2, 3, 4, 5 apps need to be developed for the society and to be given to the government and to the societies and NGOs and all these things, that then it is something. not going through the regular syllabus and completing the examinations and getting some placements. Okay, that happens. This is it. This is the line I request you, if it is right, if you feel right, think of this line. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you.